What's up, you guys? We're back. And like I said last video, I was going to do a survival island with a village. And here it is. There are a lot of other islands around, though. So, like over here, there's islands. There's no trees on this one. Okay. Dang it! About to get beat up. Hopefully one of them cars will let me in. Yep, this is the biggest one. Invade privacy. You know what? This is boring. I'm not gonna do that. I'm going out and fighting. I spawned on this area. Oh. Didn't realize. Well, that's good. And where did that come from? That was glass. Oh. My texture pack. Or the normal texture is messing up. Miss. Let me get that out the way. Oh, dang it. Now he's just gonna laugh at me. Did he die? No. Dang it. That's what I didn't want to happen. Now where'd he go? Dang it! I'm getting jumped. No! Where'd the witch go? See, now I lost him. I would have had some potions. Now I gotta beat you up. I didn't even want to do this. I was actually trying to avoid this. Dang it. The spider's fast. Come at me one by one. One by one. Dang it, I wanted one by one. Not all at the same time. This one should die. This spider should die right now. That spider should be dead by now. See, I stayed and fought. I fought. I wasn't gonna let them run me off the place where I spawned. I wasn't born there, but I spawned there. Don't you touch them villagers. Don't you touch them villagers. I'm gonna kick you out to the middle of the ocean. Whoa, what happened? Yeah, you're gonna die in the morning, but I still gonna kill you. The villager was just sitting there, watching me beating him up. Hey! Oh, no, 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 no. I'm gonna stay away from there. I'm gonna stay away from him. But, I want the horse, though. I want the horse. See what I said? The texture, my texture pack, the regular texture pack is messing up now. Yes, a tree. Let's go. And I'm about to die. That's not good. I might have to resort to rotten flesh. Or a spider eye. But that'll just take my health down. I wonder if you can eat insects. That'd be crazy. Like I said, there's a lot of other islands. And why is the wood changing colors? I might just live on this island. And whenever I need something, I just come over there. And this tree got apples. I missed it. This might be the only tree I got on this island. Dang it! I can't reach it. Crap. There's a cave on that island. Back to the homeland. Wait, didn't I get bread? I thought I got bread. What? Wait, it said I had bread. Apple. Dang it. Oh, at least I ate an apple. And there's a creeper in my village. I have to beat him up before it blows up. There's zombies over there. I might sneak up on that. I might sneak up on the creeper. Or it sneaks up on me. And it's too late. It might already be too late. Oh no! Don't you touch. I'll sneak up on it. I'm sneaking up on it. It doesn't know I'm underwater. The zombies in this game are too dumb. Now they're on fire. You're an idiot. They would have died either way. Dang it! No! How do I... Dang it! Man! Why? Why do they do this to me? Is this where the creeper blew up? I'm not sure. It was over there. Creepers just kill themselves to annoy you. This game made it like that. That sucks. Oh, I'm gonna wait for them to grow up. I'm gonna wait for them to grow up. Oh, it's a baby horse. Dang it. Yeah, I'm back. I'm back for my revenge. Yeah, you just... Congratulations. You played yourself. Ha! You couldn't kill me that time. Cal, I need you. I'm sorry if I had to kill you. Now, chicken. Come here. Come here. Nope, nope. Dang it! Plants are in the way. Wow, only took 2 hits. Another one. Go ahead, blow up. Another one. Dang it! Where did it come from? I wonder if it sees me. Let me just hope it doesn't see me. Just hope it doesn't see me. Dang it! It saw me. It doesn't see me now. Run, attack! Get out the water. Get out the water. Just make him kill himself. Oh. I put that on myself. I did that to myself. Wrong side. Crap. Run! Or it disappears. Oh, I'm getting my revenge. Where? How? How do you see me? I need a shield. Why are you still attacking? Alright, I'm gonna have to end the video right here. Peace out.